equation we are told that there is a polynomial of 4 degree which is f of x, and the coefficient of x to the power 4, that is the highest power of x, is 1. So f of x is of the form x minus a into x minus b into x minus c into x minus d for some 4 roots a, b, c and d, and for each one of them, that is f of a will equal f of b will equal f of c will equal f of d, and all of this will be equal to 0. We are given the value of f of minus 2. We are told that f of minus 2 is equal to minus 6. We are given the value of f of 2. This we are told is equal to 6. F of 3 is equal to 9, and f of 4 is equal to 12. One crude way of solving this is by substituting the value of x to be equal to minus 2 and then equating that to equal minus 6, substituting the value of x to be 2 and equating this x minus a into x minus b into x minus c into x minus d to equal 6, and so on. So you'll get 4 equations and 4 unknowns. The unknowns are a, b, c and d, and you try to solve it. But another easy way and a more elegant way of solving it is noticing that for each of them, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, and 4 into 3 is 12. So if you define a new function called g of x, which is equal to f of x minus 3x. Now you will notice that g of minus 2 is equal to 0. Similarly, g of 2 is equal to 0. G of 3 is equal to 0, and g of 4 is equal to 0. And g of x will also be a 4-degree polynomial, because g of x is essentially equal to f of x minus 3x. So the roots of g of x are minus 2, 2, 3 and 4. It is a 4th-degree polynomial, so it will have 4 roots. So g of x is equal to x plus 2, because one of the roots is minus 2, into x minus 2, because one of the roots is 2, into x minus 3, because one of the roots is 3, and x minus 4. This is the value of g of x. This is possible only because you have noticed that for 4 values of x, you are getting g of x to be equal to 0. So those 4 will be the roots of g of x. Now what will f of x be? G of x is equal to f of x minus 3x, or f of x is equal to g of x plus 3x. So f of x is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 plus 3x. Now if you are calculating the value of f of 5, just substitute the value of x to be equal to 5. So f of 5 is equal to 5 plus 2 is 7, into 5 minus 2 is 3, into 5 minus 3 is 2, into 5 minus 4 is 1, plus 3 times 5, which is 15. Or this is going to equal 7 into 3 into 2 is 42, plus 15, which is equal to 57. So the required answer is 57.